Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lime sorbet right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: fresh limes, granulated sugar, and water. You'll also need some basic kitchen tools like a saucepan, a whisk, and an ice cream maker. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a perfectly refreshing treat that's both easy and incredibly satisfying to make at home. Our first step is to create a simple syrup, which forms the sweet base of our sorbet. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with a whisk until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial to ensure no grains remain. Once dissolved, remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool down entirely to room temperature before moving on to the next stage. Now it's time to bring in that vibrant lime flavor. You'll need to juice approximately 4 to 6 fresh limes, aiming for about 1 cup of juice. Make sure to strain the juice to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a smooth sorbet texture. Once your simple syrup is completely cool, combine it with the fresh, strained lime juice. Whisk them together thoroughly. Then, transfer this mixture to a container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even overnight. With your mixture perfectly chilled, it's time for the exciting part: churning. Pour the cold liquid into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Churn the sorbet for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a firm, soft-serve consistency. Once churned, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 2 more hours to firm up completely. Then, scoop and enjoy your incredibly refreshing homemade lime sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.